Let's get real. Owning crypto is easy. Buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other digital asset has become incredibly accessible. You can do it with a few taps on your phone, often in a matter of minutes. The platforms are user-friendly, and the process is streamlined to encourage participation. But keeping it safe? That's where most people slip up. It's not enough to simply acquire crypto, you need to actively protect it. The digital landscape is rife with threats, from sophisticated hacking attempts to simple phishing scams. Many newcomers underestimate the risks involved and fail to take the necessary precautions. This can lead to devastating losses, as crypto transactions are often irreversible. In crypto, you are your own bank. Unlike traditional financial systems, there's no central authority overseeing your transactions or safeguarding your assets. You're responsible for every aspect of your crypto holdings, from securing your private keys to verifying transaction details. There's no customer service to call if you lose access. Imagine forgetting your password to your bank account and being unable to reach anyone for assistance. That's the reality in the crypto world. If you lose your private keys or recovery phrase, there's typically no recourse. No one can reset your password or restore your account. That means your security is 100% your responsibility. Every decision you make, every step you take, directly impacts the safety of your funds. You can't rely on a third party to bail you out if something goes wrong. The onus is entirely on you to implement robust security measures and stay vigilant against potential threats. But with the right steps, it's empowering, not scary. Taking control of your crypto security doesn't have to be a daunting task. By understanding the risks and implementing the appropriate safeguards, you can confidently navigate the crypto landscape and protect your investments. It's about being proactive, informed, and taking ownership of your digital assets. Think of your crypto wallet as a digital safe. It's where you store your digital assets, and it's crucial to treat it with the same level of care and attention you would a physical safe containing valuable possessions. It protects the keys to your assets. These keys, often referred to as private keys, are what allow you to access and control your crypto holdings. They're like the combination to your safe, and anyone who has them can access your funds. If your wallet is compromised, your funds are likely gone for good. Once a transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, it's virtually impossible to reverse. This makes crypto a prime target for hackers and scammers. No do-overs. There's no insurance policy to cover your losses and no bank to reimburse you. The responsibility for protecting your assets rests solely on your shoulders. Crypto's decentralization gives you freedom. It empowers you to participate in a global financial system without intermediaries or gatekeepers. You have direct control over your assets and can transact with anyone, anywhere in the world, but also puts all the responsibility on you. This freedom comes with a price: the burden of securing your own assets. You can't rely on a central authority to protect you from fraud or theft. Lose your recovery phrase, and it's like losing the only key to your vault. Your recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase, is a set of words that allows you to recover your wallet if you lose access to it. It's the ultimate backup, and it's essential to keep it safe and secure. So, as we go through this guide, remember, you are the bank, you're the CEO, the security officer, and the customer service representative, all rolled into one. Every step, from choosing a wallet to writing down a recovery phrase, is a critical decision that will impact the security of your crypto assets. Is crucial for your financial security. Taking the time to understand the risks and implement the appropriate security measures is an investment in your financial future. We'll break down wallet types, exploring the pros and cons of each, from hardware wallets to software wallets, and help you choose the one that best suits your needs and risk tolerance. Setup, guiding you through the installation and configuration process, ensuring you understand each step and can confidently set up your wallet securely. And best practices, covering everything from strong passwords to two-factor authentication and providing you with a comprehensive checklist to ensure you've covered all the bases. No jargon, just what you need to know. We'll cut through the technical complexities and provide you with clear, concise instructions that are easy to understand and implement. Ready to build your digital fortress? Let's get started. Together, we'll create a secure environment for your crypto assets, giving you peace of mind and allowing you to confidently participate in the exciting world of decentralized finance. Your crypto security journey starts now. Let's embark on this journey together, equipping you with the knowledge and tools you need to protect your digital assets and thrive in the world of crypto. So, what exactly a crypto wallet? It's a question that's on the minds of many newcomers to the world of cryptocurrency, and even some seasoned veterans might benefit from a refresher. We hear the term thrown around all the time, but what does it really mean? What purpose does it serve in the grand scheme of blockchain technology and digital assets? Well, despite the name, it doesn't actually store your digital coins or tokens in the same way a physical wallet holds cash. Think of your leather wallet overflowing with bills and maybe a few loyalty cards. A crypto wallet is fundamentally different. Instead, it securely stores your private keys. These keys are essentially long strings of code, complex cryptographic identifiers. These keys are what you use to prove ownership of your digital assets on the blockchain. They're the digital signature that authorizes transactions and confirms that you are indeed the rightful owner of the cryptocurrency you're trying to move or manage. Without these keys, your crypto is essentially inaccessible. Think of your private key as your PIN code for your bank card, but even more critical. It's the secret code that unlocks your crypto holdings. And just like forgetting your PIN means you can't access your bank account at the ATM, without your private key, you simply can't access your funds. It's a one-way street, so keeping your private keys safe and secure is absolutely paramount. Now, when it comes to crypto wallets, there are two main types to be aware of. These are broadly categorized as hot wallets and cold wallets, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Understanding the difference between these two types is crucial for making informed decisions about how to store and manage your cryptocurrency. Hot wallets are, by definition, connected to the internet. This constant connectivity is what gives them their hot designation. These typically take the form of apps on your smartphone, desktop software on your computer, or even browser extensions. They're readily accessible and easy to use. This makes them incredibly convenient for daily use for those smaller transactions you might make regularly. However, that constant internet connection also makes them inherently more vulnerable to hacks and cyber threats. Because they're online, they're exposed to a wider range of potential attacks. On the other hand, cold wallets, often in the form of hardware devices that resemble USB drives, are designed to keep your private keys offline, completely isolated from the internet's reach. This offline storage makes them the gold standard for security in the crypto world. They offer the highest level of protection against hacking and theft. This makes them perfect for long-term storage of larger cryptocurrency holdings, where security is the top priority. Think of it as a digital safe deposit box. But there's a trade-off, of course. Hot wallets offer ease of use and quick access but come with inherent security risks, while cold wallets provide ultra-secure storage for your crypto assets. However, they are less convenient for frequent or quick transactions, requiring extra steps to connect and authorize. For most people involved in cryptocurrency, a balanced approach is the most practical. This often means using a hot wallet for day-to-day spending and smaller transactions, and a cold wallet for securely storing the bulk of their crypto savings. This way, you get the best of both worlds, the convenience of having readily accessible funds alongside the peace of mind that comes with knowing your long-term investments are safe and secure. Ultimately, remember that your choice of wallet plays a significant role in shaping your overall crypto security posture. It's a decision that shouldn't be taken lightly. Choose wisely, carefully, considering your individual needs, risk tolerance, and how you plan to use your cryptocurrency. In the following videos, we'll walk you through the process of setting up both hot and cold wallets, providing you with the knowledge and tools you need to confidently manage your digital assets. So let's dive in and get started on this journey to understanding and securing your crypto future. Before you pick a wallet, think security first. Has it been compromised? Does it offer two-factor authentication or PIN protection? Next, consider how you'll use your crypto. Need quick access? Go hot. Long-term holding? Go cold. Backup and recovery are critical. Make sure your wallet gives you a recovery phrase and a simple way to restore access. Multi-currency support is a plus if you want to diversify. Choose a wallet that fits your habits and future plans. A few minutes of research now can save you from headaches later. Make your choice count. Alright, let's dive right in and set up a hot wallet. This is going to be your everyday wallet, the one you use for quick transactions and easy access to your digital assets. Hot wallets are perfect for beginners because they offer a user-friendly interface and straightforward functionality. They're designed to be convenient, making it simple to send, receive, and manage your cryptocurrencies. To get started, you'll need to download a reputable app. One popular choice is Exodus, known for its ease of use and support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Another excellent option is Trust Wallet, a secure and feature-rich wallet that integrates seamlessly with various decentralized applications. Or, if you're planning on interacting with decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, MetaMask is a great choice, especially for Ethereum-based tokens and applications. No matter which wallet you choose, make sure you download it directly from the official App Store, whether that's the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. It's absolutely crucial to double-check that you're getting the real app and not a fake version designed to steal your funds. Look at the developer name and the number of downloads to verify its authenticity. These fake apps can look very convincing, so vigilance is key to protecting yourself from potential scams. Once you've downloaded and opened the correct app, select the option to create a new wallet. This will initiate the wallet creation process. The app will then generate a recovery phrase for you. This is extremely important. Write it down on a piece of paper. This recovery phrase is your only way to regain access to your wallet if you lose your phone or forget your password. For security reasons, never store it digitally on your computer, phone, or in the cloud. A physical copy is the safest option. Take your time and double-check every word as you write it down. A single mistake can render your recovery phrase useless. Once you're sure it's accurate, keep it in a safe and secure location, away from prying eyes and potential damage. To ensure you've properly backed it up, the app will likely test you by asking you to re-enter the phrase in the correct order. Next, you'll need to set a strong and unique password or PIN to protect your wallet from unauthorized access. This password will be required for daily access to your wallet, so make sure it's something you can remember but difficult for others to guess. For added security, enable biometric authentication, such as fingerprint scanning or facial recognition, if your device and wallet apps support it. And that's it. Your hot wallet is now ready to use. You can start sending, receiving, and managing your cryptocurrencies. Just remember, the most important thing is to keep your recovery phrase offline and in a secure place. This is your ultimate backup. With your hot wallet set up and secured, you're now in control of your crypto and ready to explore the world of digital finance. Ready for next-level security? Time for a hardware wallet. Buy directly from the manufacturer, never third-party sellers. Check the packaging for tampering before use. Plug in the device and follow the on-screen setup. Set a PIN on the device. Write down the 24-word recovery phrase shown on the device's screen, never on your computer. Confirm the phrase as prompted. Install the official companion software like Ledger Live or Trezor Suite. Approve transactions physically on the device. Your keys never leave it. Your long-term crypto is now locked down. Let's lock in your security habits. Never share your recovery phrase, ever. No one legitimate will ask for it. Don't store your phrase digitally. Keep it offline, in a safe or even etched on metal for durability. Be vigilant. Double-check URLs, use bookmarks, and keep your wallet software updated. Start with small test transactions before moving large amounts. Practice restoring your wallet to ensure your backup works. Treat your recovery phrase like gold. These habits are your best defense. A few minutes of caution can save you from disaster. Make security a routine, not an afterthought. Your assets depend on it. Stay sharp. As your crypto grows, so should your security. Use multiple wallets, one for daily spending, one for trading, and a hardware wallet for savings. This limits your risk. If one wallet is compromised, your main stash stays safe. For even more protection, consider a multi-sig wallet, requiring multiple keys to approve transactions. Store keys in different secure locations. Even if one key is lost or stolen, your funds are still safe. Multi-sig is advanced, but it's the gold standard for large holdings. Compartmentalize for peace of mind. The more you grow, the more you should secure. Take your security to the next level. Crypto is full of traps for the unwary. Never access wallets on public Wi-Fi. Hackers love it. Ignore crypto giveaway scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Use a new address for each transaction to protect your privacy. Don't click on random links or download unknown software on your crypto device. Keep your device clean and secure. Consider a dedicated computer for crypto if your holdings are large. Your wallet is only as safe as the device it's on. Stay alert, stay private, stay safe. Avoid shortcuts, they lead to losses. Protect your assets by avoiding these common mistakes. You've learned the essentials, from wallet basics to advanced security. Master the fundamentals, choose a reputable wallet, secure your recovery phrase offline, and be skeptical of anything suspicious. In crypto, you are your own bank. Embrace the responsibility and freedom. Good habits today protect your assets for the long haul. Make security part of your routine. Stay informed and cautious as the crypto world evolves. Start small, build confidence, and grow your fortress. you're ready to take control of your financial future. Go build your digital fortress. The right way, your future self will thank you.